In a move that has shocked both the music industry and college football, platinum-selling rapper Tusi has formally committed to Syracuse University as part of the Orange's 2026 football recruiting class. The decision represents one of the most unorthodox career pivots in contemporary sports. A chart-topping singer turning away from fame, at least temporarily, to seek a goal he swears never left him. Tusi, whose actual name is Najor Granger, is most known for poignant hits like Favorite Song. He has spent years candidly discussing a distinct aspect of his personality, which is that of an athlete rather than a rapper. Football was his first interest long before streaming stardom and sold-out gigs. Many fans were unaware that Tusi's childhood was intertwined with Syracuse. Born in Syracuse, New York, he spent his early life there before migrating to North Carolina. Football became a vent during difficult years, especially following family bereavement and upheaval. While his music career took off in his late teens, football always looked in the background as an unfinished chapter. Those close to him claimed that his decision to resume the sport wasn't a publicity gimmick. Tusi quietly began training again months ago, weight sessions, conditioning, route running, preparing his body for a level of physical stress he hadn't experienced in years. Those around him say he wasn't pursuing headlines, he was challenging himself. The turning point apparently came when Syracuse head coach Fran Brown reached out directly. Sources claim that the debate wasn't about fame or publicity, but discipline, commitment, and whether Tusi was willing to start at the bottom like every other athlete. That moment sealed it. In announcing his pledge, Tusi hailed it as a sign from God, calling the opportunity a full-circle return to where his life began. At 25 years old, he will be one of the oldest members of the 2026 class, a statistic that makes the narrative even more amazing. NFL contracts are already being pursued by the measure of recruits his age. Tusi is pursuing a more intimate goal. For Syracuse, the commitment is about more than star power. The program struggled through the 2025 season, and insiders say this move symbolizes a bigger cultural shift, betting on deprivation, strength, and surprising paths. Coaches think Tusi's leadership, maturity, and work ethic might have good impact on the locker room. There are, of course, real challenges ahead, balancing studies, a hard sports schedule, and the expectations attached to his reputation won't be simple. But those close to him say he is aware of the uncertainty and embraces it. Tusi hasn't declared his permanent retirement from music. Rather, he is redefining success according to his own standards. In an era where athletes chase brands and artists aim to go viral, his decision flips the script totally. This isn't just a celebrity headline. It's a rare reminder that dreams don't have expiration dates. Sometimes the boldest action isn't climbing higher, but going back to finish what you once started. Tusi's decision shows that the success isn't necessarily about celebrity money. It's about following your heart and embracing challenges that matter. Both fans and aspiring sportsmen are keeping a careful eye on him, motivated by his bravery in stepping away from the spotlight and into an entirely different area. Whether he dominates the field or endures difficulties, one thing is certain. Tusi's narrative will be remembered as a unique journey where music, passion, and perseverance intersect.